Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about the best video players app for your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to watch videos on your iPhone, so let me tell you about the best video players. So the very first, if you want to use premium app, so in premium, the best app is Infuse app. Just simply open your app store and here you just have to download the search option and simply search for the app which is Infuse. Now from here you just have to open the first app and just tap on the set option. You can see there's a 4.7 rating with 27k ratings. So just install the app. It has some premium features so you can easily use the app to get in premium. Or if you want to use free app with the best app, so the best free app is you have to simply open your app store and here just tap on the search and simply search for VLC. So VLC is the best free music video player. This is open the first app from here. You can see I'm already using this app without any issue. I'm already using it on my PC, the same app. So you can easily use this on your iPhone. Or the third app is for the best network or cloud videos. You just have to simply open your app store and you go for search again. And you just have to search for Outplayer. Just search for Outplayer and you will get that app. So here's a light version of Unclear. You can also get the original version of Unclear in Premium. If you want to get free, so you can install the light version of your Premium. So these were the best video players for your iPhone. If you want to get the premium features, so you have to use Infuse app. If you want to use free video player, you have to use VLC or just the Unplayer. If you want to use your video player best for network or cloud, so you can use your Unplayer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.